Here are the 3 most common mistakes first-time homebuyers make. Number 1. Shopping for a house before you speak to a lender. Come on now. You're playing with fire by house shopping before you really know how much money you've got to work with. Get pre-approved first, then dive in based on your approval numbers. Message me to start that process. Number 2. Overestimating your budget. This goes along with number 1, but most people assume they have more money to work with than they actually do. Your lender is going to sift through your finances with a fine-toothed comb, so cut your unnecessary expenses if you want a shot at a more expensive home. And finally, number 3, not interviewing multiple agents. 73% of buyers use the first agent they spoke with. Agent experience, temperament, knowledge, negotiation skills all matter and vary based on who you're talking to. This is your most expensive asset on the line. Don't entrust that process to the first and only agent you come across. Do your due diligence and interview us. Message me if you want a list of questions to ask the agents you're interviewing.